In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Discord. So for those that don't know what Discord is, it's a fantastic program that allows you to chat with your friends, talk via microphone, text chat. You can even create your own server, which you can then invite your friends, family, or anyone else you want into your own server. So the first thing you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. We now need to click on download for Windows, and you then need to go save file. Once the file's finished downloading, we then need to run the setup file. Discord will now begin to download and install. Once Discord has finished installing, you will then end up with a window asking you to create an account. You then need to create an account and then sign into your account. So once you've signed in, this is what Discord looks like. So on the left hand side here, you can see that we have our servers. So if you've joined different servers in Discord, they will all be listed here. So I've got my computer sluggish server here, which if I then enter into, I have my text channels and I have my voice channels. So if I just want to have a general chat by just typing and going hello, I can do that, and my other friends or people that are a part of this server can then chat back to me. I can then go into the voice channel, and if I want to talk away, I can do that as well. And you can also see here, we can turn on our webcam, and we can also share our screen if we want to. And you can see there my name is highlighting green to indicate that I am currently using my microphone. I'm now going to come out of this by simply disconnecting, which you can do down the bottom here, and it will take you out of the voice channel that you're in. So also in the top left hand corner, we can click on the Discord icon to go back to our home, where we can then see a list of all our friends. If you know a friend's username and hashtag number, you can then type it in here and then send them a friend request, which then if they accept, they will be listed here under your friends online, or you can click on all to view all your friends. So that's pretty cool as well. And also on the right hand side, you will also be able to see your friends that are currently active. If we now go down to the bottom left hand corner of Discord where the settings cog is, you can open up your user settings. So under my account, which you cannot see at the moment because I'm in streamer mode, you will be able to make a few adjustments to your account here. You can then click onto appearance and change how Discord looks. You can choose between a dark or light theme. That is completely up to you. That's what light theme looks like, and that's what dark theme looks like. You can then also click onto Windows settings, and we can decide if we want Discord to open up with Windows. If you don't want it to, then simply toggle it to off, or you can always have it minimized into the system tray. I'm just going to toggle that to off for a second. And as you may have noticed, or like I just said in my account, I'm currently in streamer mode, which you then have a load of streamer options here, which you can decide if you want to have that on or off as well. And then the next setting within Discord, which is pretty handy, is the game overlay. So here we can toggle game overlay on or off, which means that you can have Discord appear when you're in game. You can choose which key you want to use to open up Discord. So the final thing to check is just voice and video to ensure that you have the correct audio settings set and your video settings. So to do this, all you need to do is click onto voice and video. Just ensure you do have your correct microphone and speakers selected. If you have more than one input device or output device, you will want to make sure you have the correct option selected, and also you can change it from voice activity to push to talk. That's totally up to you. So yeah, that does now bring me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.